Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to follow up on the idea that we shared with you yesterday for the chart of the day, and that is gold. We had a monster move today in gold. I didn't expect this to happen so soon, but one thing that I mentioned yesterday was noting the speed in which this got back to resistance. So it broke down a few times, broke down, took a while, broke down, took a while, and then the latest time broke down, and just within a couple of days, it was right back near the highs. And so that was one thing that kind of tipped us off to say, you know what, this may be worth watching. And so we ended up getting a monster move here in GDX. It closed above the downward sloping 100-day exponential moving average. Now, this is still a longer-term downtrend, but I don't want to lose sight of the metals now because we ended up getting monster moves in GDX. That turned into monster moves like FNV. Boom, right under the 200-day moving average. GOLD had a nice 7% jump today, and WPM, another one that I was watching. I actually traded this, sold all out of it. I think, a lot of these had good moves, but they're kind of extended now. So keep your time frame in check. I'm currently looking for a little bit of a pullback to the moving averages here, but definitely don't want to lose sight of gold or, for that matter, silver. Silver has been outperforming gold for the most part. And so keep an eye on some of these metals. And if you want to see what else we're looking at StockMarketMentor.com, go to StockMarketMentor.com, take a trial, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.